They say you can't buy happiness, but you can buy chocolates. But some people are so poor that they can't even buy chocolates. Today, I am going to talk about a boy who was in love with chocolates, but chocolates were as scarce in his life as water is scarce in the desert. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the third video in the series of books for beginners. I have uploaded two videos already. If you haven't watched them, you can go to the playlist and watch those videos. If you are a student of English and you want to improve your English language and you want to learn new words, then this single book I am going to discuss about can do wonders for you. There are a lot of adjectives, I mean tons of adjectives. The writer of the book has used many adjectives in a single line in the book. Today I am going to talk about a book, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. First of all, let me tell you what is the benefit of reading this book. You will get tons of adjective, I mean vocabulary words. And the second thing is you will go into the imaginary world of the writer has created, and you will absorb those words and sentence structure. Let me give you a brief introduction of the story. There are five characters in this book. First, Charlie Bucket. Charlie is a poor boy, but he is really obedient boy. He is a good child, and he is admired by his parents and his great grandparents alike. He loves chocolates, but he is so poor that he can't buy chocolates on daily basis. He only gets one chocolate on his birthday. The whole family lives hand to mouth throughout the year. And the second character is Mr. Willy Wonka. Mr. Willy Wonka is the owner of the factory, a chocolate factory. He makes chocolates, wonderful chocolates, the best chocolates in the world. His factory is made of chocolate. There is a river in the factory that is made of chocolate. There is a boat in the factory that is made of chocolate. That is the beauty of this book, and you will be astonished when you read this book. Mr. Willy Wonka invites five children to let them visit the factory. There are dwarf humans called Oompa Loompas. They are funny and humorous characters. Oompa Loompas are interesting. Oompa Loompas are humans, dwarf humans. They sing a song for every child in the factory. When you will read the poem or the song they sang for the child, you will get to know what is wrong with those children and with their parents, and you will learn new lessons about parenting and how children should behave. At the end of the novel, you will love Charlie Bucket for his sincerity and good behavior, and how he wins Mr. Wonka's respect and admiration.